Have you and your team always used automation anywhere?
Yeah. The only RPA tool we use is automation anywhere since like late 2019. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, late 2019. We chose automation anywhere because it offers the most valuable solution.
You've been doing this from at least 2019 with Automation Anywhere.
Yeah.
So we're looking at 4 years, which in technology time, especially now with generative AI hitting the market, is like warp speed. That's really
It's
10
decades.
years.
Yeah, decades.
Right?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
In the terms of innovation and evolution of products. Now, we're not an RPA company anymore. We're an intelligent automation platform,
Exactly.
right? And so things have evolved. But over the course of that time, from your perspective, what kind of changes have you seen? What kind of impact have you seen? Like, did you start with sort of simple tasks?
Yeah.
And then how has that changed over time?
Of course, you got to actually start to prove the concept of automation with the organization. So we started to automate simple tasks, reconciliations tasks, etc., which is repetitive tasks, brings huge value, but it's simple in logic. Okay. After that, we excel to more and more complex processes which involve multiple systems, integrations, document processing, etc. And we succeeded to do that. We have now over 200 processes automated.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about ANB.
ANB. So Arab National Bank is basically one of the largest banks in Saudi, which has an amazing technology team. Across the board, all the ITG structure, they are amazing. I'm looking for any way to innovate or to utilize any technology that can benefit them. They will use it without hesitation. So I'm in a good environment. And I started as an RPA developer. Now I lead the team. So it's been great journey with them.
It's amazing to have that kind of support and that kind of leadership supporting true innovation for transformation, right?
Yeah.
With that kind of support, it's great to have, but it can also be, a bit daunting because expectations might be high. How has like the Automation Success Platform helped you reach those expectations, maybe reach new heights even?
I like a challenge. We have a great team in RPA, great staff, great partners. And each year we deliver over the expectations, thankfully.
So you see the value is there.
Yeah, the management see the value. They appreciate the value, they appreciate the team. So
yeah, and so now the thinking becomes, to your point, 2019 task-based automation, now the innovation is also in the thinking of what kind of processes you can transform with automation.
Yeah, exactly. Now, any change happens at any system, RPA is considered as priority for this change, whether we can automate it with RPA or not. If it's not, we'll use other automation technologies. Okay, because RPA offers a lot of things, cost efficient, faster to deploy, and even more secure because it doesn't change the core code of any system. It only uses the UI.
So again, going back to this idea of the support and the enthusiasm for innovation and for automation, how do you structure the pipeline for automations and sort of the prioritization? Like, what are some tips you could give others that are reaching like an acceleration phase where now they've communicated out, now they've got people knocking on their door wanting automations?
Of course, yeah.
What are some key tips there?
From my point of view, we have two aspects. First one is risk, whether not automating this process can risk the bank reputation, or in terms of regulations, or in terms of any customers may be affected if it's not automated. So this is a high priority. So I'd say it's the ROI and the risk. Yeah.
And the risk, it sounds like it's almost from a brand promise perspective, right? You're expected to be ANB, you're expected to be a leader.
Exactly.
And so that's a consideration. Not just the bottom line, like are we saving X amount of money?
Yeah, no. The reputation is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Okay, at anything, personal level, corporate level, whatever.
Especially in banking, right?
Yeah, exactly.
In terms of consumer.
Yeah.
And I think, one of the things I've heard before, and one of the things I believe is now intelligent automation is a differentiator.
Yeah.
It's a competitive advantage.
Exactly.
Right? And if you're in a competitive market like consumer banking, you need every advantage you can get.
Exactly. This is what we are, because ANB is how it is done a fantastic job in RBA automation across all the banks in Saudi. Considered a leader in this subject. So, you know, it's hard to be a leader because everyone is asking questions, hard to get information from others.
Sure.
So we came here to Imagine so we can share knowledge.
That's the beauty of Imagine, right?
Exactly,
You can be
yeah.
peers, global enterprises doing similar things. Maybe they're doing something different, and you're like, oh, I can do that too,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
That's the magic of it all, and you can share your expertise as well.
That's it. We exchange value. This is the point of Imagine.
It's automation anywhere for everyone, everywhere.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, it's from the name itself.
I appreciate you stopping by and sharing some of your insights. I look forward to talking again, and congratulations and best of luck and continued success.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.